What's up, guys? We're out on the turn track, and this evening's just all about Weston. It's just him riding his P-Dub, and we've got some looser stuff chewed up from when we were riding big bikes the other day. So he didn't like it at first. We gave him a moto parent pep talk, and now he's doing just fine. But we're kind of practicing getting him through some of the deeper ruts over here in this corner, and he's just trying to get used to what it feels like on dirt, because he's so used to grass and not having any feedback in his handlebars that dirt has just really messed with his head. Get in the rut and give it full gas. Go, go, go. Oh, oh. Just going to take laps and repetition. Put that foot up, boy. He's just really liking it now. I'm super glad, because at first he just was not digging the rough stuff. And it's one of those things as a parent, because if he would just give it a few laps and get used to it, he'd love it, and that's what he's done. Go, go, go. Look, now he's flying. All the way through the turn, buddy. All the way through the turn. There you go. Get your front wheel in that rut and give it gas. Oh. I know I'm going to wreck this thing riding one-handed here in a minute. With kids like this, guys, you can almost watch them get better lap to lap. Give it gas. Stand up. Stand up. This is also he's wearing those big boots. It's the first time he's ever worn those. The other ones we had were too small. We had to put him in these, and they're a little bit big. Oh, you went past the rut. It's okay. Just keep going. You don't have to be in the rut. Just keep going. Hey, give it gas. You'll go right through it. No. Come on. Right here. Turn straight. Right here. Right here. You got it. Right here. Give it gas. Look at that. He's worried about that little bit of rough stuff right there. I'm out here on the CRF 110, guys. Don't forget to support P3 Carbon for hooking me up with the pipe guard shields. And I had misplaced their counter shaft cover, but I found it the other day, so I'm going to put it on as soon as I get a chance. Check it out, guys. So this is a little sandbar that I come down to and climb up it with the RC cars and shoot some videos and stuff. Never had pit bikes or motorcycles down here. Let's check it out. Oh man, a little soft. That's steeper than I thought. I'll never make it back up that. Maybe this way. No way I'm gonna make it this way. Yeah, I could get up that on a big bike, but not this thing. See what you can do when you try?
You got it, dude.
See what you do when you... See what you can do when you try? All right, couple more laps. You done?
Yeah.
All right, shut her off. We'll ride it back to the mule and shut her off and go with the pit bike. Yeah, he's got it mastered now. He forgot to make a turn and he got stuck over in the rough stuff by himself, and he got mad and he just kind of slung the bike around and kind of just pinned it and got out of the rough stuff. So it's cool to be standing back there as a parent and to see him figuring out these, you know, doing these problem solving skills on his own at 3. Stuff that he's just got to learn. I'm not always going to be there to show him which rut to take and which line to choose and to move his front wheel if he needs to get out of the rut. So it's just something cool as a parent to see.
Good ride, buddy.